Describe someone you know. Who often helps others. The person I would like to describe is my mother, who is a constant source of inspiration and a true embodiment of selflessness. She has an innate ability to always be there for others, offering a helping hand and support whenever needed. My mother's caring nature is evident in the way she interacts with family, friends, and even strangers. She is always willing to lend a listening ear and provide a shoulder to cry on. Whether it's a family member going through a tough time or a friend seeking advice, my mother is the first person they turn to. One of the things that amazes me the most about my mother is her unwavering dedication to her community. She volunteers her time at local shelters, assisting those in need, and participating in various charity events. Seeing her work tirelessly to make a positive impact on people's lives inspires me to be a better person myself. In addition to her philanthropic efforts, my mother is also a nurturing figure in our family. She selflessly takes care of everyone's needs and puts others before herself. From preparing delicious meals to providing emotional support, her love knows no bounds. Whenever I see my mother helping others, it fills me with immense pride and admiration. Her genuine concern for people's well-being and her desire to make a difference in their lives are qualities I deeply respect. She has taught me the importance of kindness, compassion, and giving back to the community. My mother's constant acts of kindness and support have left a lasting impact on me and those around her. She has shown me the true meaning of selflessness and the joy that comes from helping others. I am truly grateful to have such an incredible role model in my life. One. How can children help their parents at home? Children can help their parents at home by taking on age-appropriate tasks such as setting the table, tidying up their rooms, helping with simple cooking, or assisting in household chores. These activities teach responsibility and contribute to a sense of family cooperation. 2. Should children be taught to help others? Yes, children should be taught to help others. Learning to help and care for others fosters empathy, compassion, and a sense of community responsibility. It instills valuable life skills and encourages a positive attitude towards supporting those in need. 3. What makes children help each other at school? Children help each other at school because of a natural sense of camaraderie and friendship. They often form close bonds with peers and feel a desire to support each other academically and emotionally, creating a supportive and inclusive learning environment. 4. Should students do community service? Why? Yes, students should participate in community service. Engaging in community service cultivates a spirit of social responsibility, empathy, and civic engagement. It allows students to contribute positively to their communities, learn about social issues, and develop a broader perspective on the world. 5. Do students in Indonesia do volunteer work? Yes. Many students in Indonesia actively participate in volunteer work and community service projects. Schools, universities, and youth organizations often organize initiatives that encourage students to give back to their communities and address societal challenges. 6. Why do some people do volunteer work all over the world? Some people do volunteer work all over the world because they believe in the power of collective action to make a positive impact on global issues. They may have a strong desire to support disadvantaged communities, protect the environment, or promote social justice. Volunteering allows them to experience new cultures, gain valuable skills, and work together towards creating a more inclusive and sustainable world.